Let us solve some more questions on square root in this question set number 2. This is the first question. What should come in place of these question marks in the following equation? And this question was asked in Bank PO exam of 1999. Well, let us replace these question marks with x. So we have x upon root 128 is equal to root 162 upon x. So moving this x to the left hand side of equal to and moving this root 128 to the right hand side, we get x square is equal to root 162 times root 128. Now let us divide both 162 and 128 by 2 so that we can express them in multiples of 2. So 162 when divided by 2, you get 81. So 162 can be written as 2 times 81. This is equal to under root of 2 times 81. And 128, if it is divided by 2, you get 64. So 64 times 2 is 128. So you have root of 2 times 64. So this is equal to root 2 times root 81 times root 2 times root 64. Root 2 times root 2 gives you 2 times root 81 gives you 9. 9 times 9 is 81 times root 64 is 8. 8 8s are 64. This is equal to 2 times 9 times 8. So 9 times 8 is 72. So you have 2 times 72, which is equal to 144. Therefore, you have x square is equal to 144. And therefore, taking under root on both the sides of equal to, you have x equals to root 144, which is equal to 12. So the answer is 12. Let's move on to question number 2, which was asked in the BSRB exam of 1998. So let us rewrite the whole equation. So you have 28 root x plus 1426 is equal to 3/4 of 2872. So you have 3 by 4 times 2872. Now let us reduce the right hand side of equals to. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 7 is 28, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 7 18 is equal to 2154. On the left hand side you have 28 root x. Let us move this 1426 to the right hand side of equals to, so it becomes minus 1426. Therefore root x is equal to 2154 minus 1426. You will get 728, and this 28 comes down, so this is divided by 28. So root x is equal to 728 divided by 28. Let us reduce the right hand side again. So you can divide this. Let us divide this by 4. So 4 7s are 28. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 8s are 32. 4 2s are 8. So 182 by 7. And when you divide 182 by 7, you get 26. So therefore you have root x is equal to 26. So taking square on both the sides of equal to, you get x equals to 26 square. And 26 square, let us calculate it. 26 times 26, you get 6 6 are 36, 3 carry, 6 2s are 12, plus 3 is 15, 6 2s are 12, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 is 5, and this is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6. So you get 676 as the value of x. Therefore, the correct answer is option B. 2/3 of a square of a number is 96. What is the number? Well, you have 2/3 of the square of a number. If the number is x, you have x square as 96. So you have to calculate the value of x. Let us move x to the left hand side and the other terms to the right hand side of equals to. So you have x square equal to 96 times 3 divided by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 8 is 16. So x square is equal to 48 times 3, which is equal to 144. Therefore, x is equal to under root of 144, which is equal to 144 is the square of 12. Therefore, under root 144 is equal to 12. So the answer is option B. Let's move on to question number 4 now. It was asked in the SSC examination of 2002. So let us simplify this. What you have to do is to make the denominator equal to the numerator so that you can cancel out most of the terms. So therefore this is equal to, you have this big square root, you can write 0.03 square plus 0.21 square plus 0.065 square upon, so you want to make 0.003 square as 0.03 square, so you can write 0.03 upon 10 square. So 0.03 divided by 10 gives you 0.003. So plus, again you can do the same thing with 0.021. So you can write 0.21 divided by 10 whole square plus again 0.065 divided by 10 whole square. Now what you can do is again write the same thing. Now 0.03 by 10 whole square can be written as 0.03 square upon 10 square plus the rest of the things in the same way. The 10 square is common to all the terms in the denominator, so you can write the denominator like this. You can have only one 10 square. So there it is. The numerator and the denominator have common terms and you can cancel them. So this gets cancelled out and this gets cancelled out. What remains is under root of 1 by 1 by 10 square. This 10 square can go up, so it is equals to under root of 10 square, and under root of 10 square is nothing but 10. So the answer is 10, and I hope there is the option right. Let us solve the last question now. Well, you have to simplify this thing, so let's simplify it. Let's put this question mark as x. So x is equal to, let us write it, root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. So it is equal to root 3 times root 3 is 3 minus 1 times 1 is 1 upon root 3 the whole square, which is equal to 2 by root 3 square, which is equal to 2 square upon root 3 square, and it is equal to 4. 2 square is 4 by root 3 square is 3. So the answer is 4 by 3.